Hello KG1, how are you doing? I hope that you're all doing great. Welcome to this English lesson in which we will discuss the third unit in the book, Connect. Let's start with the first page. Unit 3 is called Our Animals. Our Animals. In this page we have some animals. Let's recognize them together. Here we have, what's this? It's a camel. Camel. Here's a horse. Horse. Sheep. Sheep. And this is a cat. Cat. Here we have a rabbit. Rabbit. And here we have a frog. Frog. And here's a fish. Fish. Okay, next page. Here we're going to look, listen, and say, and then we will read and match. Here we have many pictures of some animals. We will see what animals are these and we will match them to the right words, okay? Number 1, here we have a sheep, right? And it's already matched. Number 2, here we have a rabbit. Rabbit. Where's the word rabbit? Here it is. Let's match them together. Rabbit. Okay. Number 3, here we have a frog. Frog. Where is the word frog? Yes, here it is. Let's match them together. Here's the frog. Okay, number 4. Number 4, here we have a cat, right? Cat. Where is the cat? Here it is. Let's match them. Okay. And number 5, here we have a camel. Camel. Where's the word camel? Here it is. Let's match them together. And number 6, we have a fish, right? Fish. Let's match it to the word fish. Okay. And finally, number 7, we have a horse. Horse. Let's match the horse to its word. Okay. Next page. Here we will listen and read. Okay. Number 1, here we have camels, right? These are camels. Camels live on land or in water. Page 1. They live on land, in the desert, right? So it says here, camels live on land. Camels live on land. And in the second picture here, we have some fish, right? Do fish live on land or in water? KG1. They live in water, right? So it says here, fish live in water. Fish live in water. Okay, next page. This is a picture of land and this is a picture of water, right? Okay, next page. Okay, here in this word KG1, we have two kinds of things. We have living things and we have non-living things. Okay? In order to say that something is living, it has to do 3 things. Number 1, living things eat. They eat food, okay, and drink water. Number 2, living things grow. Like this kitten. The cat, when it's born, it's a little kitten and then it grows into a big cat. Humans are born as babies. They become children, then teenagers, and then adults. They grow, right? And number 3, living things breathe. Right? Living things breathe. Okay. Exercise 2 says, look and circle the living things. Here we have some pictures of living and non-living things. We want to circle the living things only, okay? The first picture here is a picture of a rabbit. Is a rabbit a living thing or a non-living thing? Does it eat? Yes. Does it grow? Yes. Does it breathe? Yes. So it is a living thing and we're going to circle it. The second picture here, we have a table. Is the table a living thing? Let's ask the three questions. Does it eat? No. Does it grow? No. Does it breathe? No. So it's not living, we're not going to circle it. The third picture here, we have a picture of a sharpener. Okay, is the sharpener a living thing? Let's ask the three questions. Does it eat? No. Does it grow? No. Does it breathe? No. So a sharpener is a non-living thing. The fourth picture here is a picture of a cat. Is a cat a living thing? Does it eat? Yes. And it grows and it breathes as well. So it's a living thing and we're going to circle it. The same for the horse. It eats, it grows, and it breathes. So it's a living thing. The fish as well is a living thing because it eats, it grows, and it breathes, even under the water. Okay, and can you see this pencil? Is this pencil a living thing? Does it eat? No. Does it grow? No. And it doesn't breathe as well. So it's not a living thing. And finally, we have a picture of a baby. Is the baby a living thing? Does it eat? Yes. Does it grow? Yes. And it breathes. So we're going to circle it. Okay, next page. Here we have a picture of the living things and the non-living things. We're going to match the living things to the things they do and the non-living things to the things they do. Okay, let's start with the living things. The living things breathe, right? And the living things eat. Let's match them. And living things grow, right? Second, we have the non-living things. Non-living things don't eat. I'm going to match it now. Okay. Living things do not breathe, right? They don't breathe. I'll match them. And finally, non-living things don't grow. Let's match it. Okay, next page. Here, the exercise says listen, then point and say. Okay. Sheep, sheep. Rabbit, rabbit. Frog, frog. Panda, panda. Camel, camel. Fish, fish. Horse, horse. And here this girl is saying, my favorite animal is the panda. Her favorite animal is the panda here. Oh, next page. Here we will listen and read, okay? Can you see this girl? This is her pet, okay? She has a cat pet. And the cat's name is Mango, okay? She's saying here, Mango is my cat. Number 2, she eats. She's saying that the cat eats. Number 3, she grows. And number 4, she's saying that she loves her pet. She's saying, I love Mango. Okay. Now it's time to learn some sounds with busy bee. Okay. Here we have sound P, and the letter is P. And here we have sound R, and the letter is R. Okay. We will look and circle the P and R sounds. Okay. Here we will circle the P in panda. Okay. And the P in pyramids. And the P and R in play ground. Okay. And we will circle the R in red and the R in rabbit and the R in Reem. This girl's name is Reem. And the R and R in sharpener. Okay. Next page. Okay. We will learn how to write some P and R here. Okay. We will start from the starting point here. We will go down, 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 up on the same line, round, and close it. You're going to trace this one and write the last one here. Okay. One more time. Down, down, down. The capital P. Up, up, up on the same line, round. Close it. You're going to trace this one and write the last one alone. Okay. Let's write sound R. Down, down, down. Then up on the same line and round. Okay, you're going to trace this one and write the last one. Capital R. Down, down, down. Up on the same line, round till you close it and then slide down. You're going to trace this one and write this one alone. The second exercise says look and complete. Okay, in the first picture here we have a panda, right? Panda starts with sound. It's missing its starting sound, right? So we're going here to write sound. And this girl's name is Reem. Reem. Reem starts with sound R, right? You're going to write it here. Can you see these pyramids? Pyramid starts with sound P, right? You're going to write it here. And finally we have this rabbit. Rabbit starts with sound R. Okay, you're going to write it here. Okay, next page. Page 1. When we are born, we're born as babies, right? You're born as a baby. Then you grow to be a child, then a teenager, then an adult. So we're going to listen and number, okay? Can you see this little baby here? When you are born, you are a baby. When you grow up a little bit, you're going to be a child. So the baby was number 1. You become a child. After this, you're going to write here number 2. After you become a child, you become a teenager. In the picture below, you're grown up a little bit more. And when you're finally grown up, you become an adult at number 4 here. Okay? Okay, next page. Okay, these are the stages of life for the frogs, okay? They start as eggs here. Then the eggs hatch here. They become baby frogs and then adult frogs. Okay, next page. It's story time now. Here we're going to listen, read, and point. Okay. Dina and Adam are at the park. Okay, or I don't know where they are. And mommy here is saying the baby frog is a living thing. And Dina is asking, does it grow? Mommy says, yes, it grows to be an adult frog. And Dina is asking here, how can we help the baby frog? Adam says, frogs need water and they need food. And Dina is saying, there's water, there's food. Mommy is saying here, yes, the frogs are growing. That's the end of our story, the unit, and this video. Thank you so much.